A happy International Women's Day to you and all the women in your life from me and the team of Wealth Cafe. Welcome to our special video for this Women's Day, where I'm going to try to nudge you a little more to take finances in your hand and start investing. Where you are working so hard to earn that money, where we've spent generations to get this opportunity to go out and work and be independent, then why are you not taking that extra steps and investing your money? So do watch this video till the end, because I am going to motivate you, push you, and give you solid reasons to start investing. Hi there, Namaste. This is Akriti Agarwal, and here I am to encourage you to start investing your money. Well, as when it comes to me, because of the kind of upbringing I had and certain curveballs that life threw at me, I started saving and learning about investing rather early. And also I had a great support system through my parents and family, where that may not be the case for a lot of women, and we have to push ourselves to do that. In fact, a lot of discussions with my girlfriends around money boils down to they telling me that my lack of interest in fashion is similar to their lack of interest in money. But the discussion always ends with me explaining that I can spend my entire life in a black t-shirt. I hope not, but I can. But you cannot spend your entire life with your fixed deposits. They may someday fall short of your needs. You need to learn better, you need to invest better. So the first thing that you need to do is start now. Yes, very simple. Open a demat account, invest in a few stocks, open a mutual fund account, invest in mutual funds, make that fixed deposits, buy that insurance. You know, it's really not that difficult. It's as easy as shopping online. You just have to go to an app and select a few things. When you start investing on your own and when you start doing these things on your own, that is when you will automatically start reading and learning about them. Honestly speaking, the money in your wallet does not care about your gender. So whether you invest your money or not, it's only going to grow depending on the decision you've made and not your gender. So the only thing that is stopping us from investing is our interest and our willingness to do that. So basically, start now. And the second thing that you can do is have a discussion with the people who are managing your money. Even before I started cooking or getting more interested in household things, I would always have a comment ready for my mother that, you know, the food was too salty or too spicy, or I probably like it that way. But are you discussing with your fathers or your advisors as to how would you like your investments? It is no different. You have to start talking about it, and automatically the discussions will move forward. Have an opinion about your investments. Sit with the people who are investing for you. Discuss with them what are your goals, how would you like your money to be, and then take a decision together. The third thing that you need to do is have that 3 a.m. money friend. Yes, have a friend you can reach out to for any financial or investing queries. Right? Like I have a friend for any restaurant request. Like I'm so bad at it that every time I want to go out, I will call her even if she is not in Bombay. Or I have another friend without whom I just cannot shop. But I am that friend whom my friends call for any money discussions. So do you have a friend? The gender of that friend doesn't matter, right? Basically, have a go-to person, so whenever you don't understand a particular financial product or your investment, you can just give them a call. When you earn that bonus, give them a call. So basically, you have that one go-to person to discuss all your financial worries with. And the last bit I want to tell you all is that educate yourself. Start reading. There are ample of resources available, just not Wealth Cafe. There are hundreds of platforms which are putting content out there to help you understand about your money and investing. So if you start putting a little more time and effort into it, you will see what wonders your investments are doing for you. So basically, I only wanted to encourage you through this video is that girls, start investing right now. Yes. Talk to your parents, talk to your advisors, connect with your friends, reach out to us for any queries if you have. But go back, look at your bank statements and look at your investments and understand where you are today and where you need to be. Because how much ever we say that money is not important for us, but everything important in our life is because of the money that we have. So where we talk about skincare or healthcare, let's start talking about money care and look at your money from a more positive outlook, where you take certain savings each month and invest them and also insure yourself properly. I hope this video pushes you to do better with your money. If you know anyone who would benefit from this video and will actually start looking at their money differently, then please share this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Watch out this space every Wednesdays and Saturdays for freshly brewed content from Wealth Cafe. Hope you have a great Women's Day and you grow exponentially in life and in wealth. Thank you so much.